Hey everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to follow friends from Instagram on Threads on Android. If you're looking to expand your network and connect with your Instagram friends on Threads, this tutorial is for you. In this video, we'll show you how to follow your Instagram friends on Threads using just a few simple steps. Step 1. Log into Threads. The first step is to open the Threads app on your Android phone and log in. If you're not already logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Access the settings next. Tap on your profile picture, which should be located at the bottom of the screen. This will open your profile page. From there, tap the two stacked lines in the upper right-hand corner to open the app settings. Step 3. Follow and invite friends in the settings menu. Select the Follow and Invite Friends option. This will take you to a page where you can manage your Threads connections. Step 4. Follow accounts from Instagram. To follow your Instagram friends on Threads, select the Follow Accounts from Instagram option. This will bring up a list of your Instagram friends who are also on Threads. Step 5. Choose your friends. Select the friends you want to follow by tapping on their profile picture. You can select as many friends as you want from the list. Step 6. Press Done. Once you've selected the friends you want to follow, press the Done button at the bottom of the screen. This will add your selected friends to your Threads connections. Conclusion, and that's it. You have successfully followed your Instagram friends on Threads using just a few simple steps. Remember that you can always unfollow these friends or add new ones at any time. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any other questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.